Okay, so just finished pumping this. I haven't tidied some of this up yet, but as you can see, it's all pumped in to that wrap over roof, and now comes the tricky bit. To get these sheets in, a lot of people don't know how to get a wrap over sheet in, and if you ever pull one out yourself, it's going to be really difficult. But what I do is I put this corner here of this sheet up underneath that there to start with, and locate a screw in the hole in the right spot, and then I can twist the rest of the sheet down the roof over into the bay, right? And so it'll twist in. But if you don't know how to do it that way, it's almost impossible to get them in and get them lined up. So anyway, I'm going to get in and shut the roof down, tidy this up and shut the roof down, and then on to the next sheet.